Ko Nuki Nicholson toku ingoa. Ko au te Environment Manager, Tau Arahi Tai Ao, Key Relationships Manager for Te Arawa River Iwi Trust. The purpose of Te Tira Hoe is to reconnect our three tapu, Ngāti Kearo, Ngāti Tuara, Tuhaurani, Ngāti Wāhiao, and Ngāti Tahu, Ngāti Whāua. We connect them back to their land, to their awa, to learn their history, and just generally getting to know who they are. The main task for me was making sure that we had relationships with every marae that we were visiting and they were hosting us, organising pohere, organising whakatau, making sure all our people were fed. Basically, we feed them, we accommodate them, we just need them to come, participate, and just have the experience.